Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Brianna or brianalarise. This video is going to be an unwind with me, self-care, mom edition. Just pretty much what I like to do when I can to get relaxed at night or just to chill when I have a little bit of time, if any. Being a new mom, I really don't, but you gotta make that time. So I just lit some candles. I'm gonna wash my hands and get my night started so I can get comfortable and just chill, And by the way, you guys, subscribe to my channel, turn your post notifications on, like and comment this video. Let me know what you like or what you want to see. So let's get into it. So first things first, you gotta get clean. So we're taking a shower. The shower is a really big part of my self-care routine. I use this turmeric soap on the darker parts of my body, so that's like my elbows, armpits, knees, things like that, my neck. And I use this philosophy soap that I've been familiar with for over 10 years. And shout out to my mom because she's the one that actually put me on to it. You can find it at places like TJ Maxx or Marshalls or Ross if you don't want to buy it directly from their website. And also I use a pumice stone, and I think it's important for everyone to use daily. Even if you don't do anything else, you should scrub the bottom of your feet every night. So now we're done in the shower. I'm just going to dry off, and I use coconut oil and original hemp's lotion to moisturize my body while it's still damp. I do feel like that locks in more moisture than waiting till your skin dries. So now I'm just going to put my pajamas on and go ahead and get the face part of this night routine / unwind with me going. So I'm just going to flip the light, and this is just me like evaluating what I have to do. I usually push back my edges, and then I'll start with cleansing my face. This is the same turmeric soap that I use in the shower. I get it from Beyond Lifestyle, not Shop. This is the first time I'm using this soap for about a week now. I got a sample size from the website, and I do enjoy it actually. It does not dry me out, and I do feel like my skin is actually getting clean. So I just massage that in my face. I do get my neck. Eventually you'll see I'll get my neck. But I just make sure I lightly massage it all over my face. And I do like trying new products. This is a black owned business, a local black owned business, so I definitely do support it. If you guys know any small businesses or other businesses of skincare, just drop them down below and I would love to check them out. Like this video if you're enjoying this kind of content. So while going through my routine, I do like to prep my tea so that it's ready by the time I'm done. Today I'm using the Yogi Tea, the bedtime one. And I do like this tea. It has like a bit of sweetness, but not too sweet, without even adding sugar to it. And I'm just gonna boil my water and put it in my cup and let it steep.
Would be a conflict of interest if I express my interest in you. These words send the pulse down through to the descent that I flirt with, destiny to pursue. Hearing come help your vision see what I feel when you look at me.
So getting back into it, I always drink water any opportunity that I can. And this is the moisturizer that I'm using. It's a night cream. So way more moisture than a regular moisturizer, and I do have oily skin, so I don't like to use much of this. I only use it at night, and my face still feels moisturized in the morning. So this is what it looks like. I just use a little bit, dab it over my face and rub it in. Before I did that, I did use a toner. I used a witch hazel on a cotton pad, let it dry, and then apply the moisturizer. You guys like this video, comment down below, let me know what you enjoyed or what you would like to see from me. I will be posting videos that include mom life, cooking, self-care, makeup and beauty, and also just like positivity, trying to be productive. This is real life, stuff happens, people have lives, but at least we're putting in the effort to be positive, be productive, and be just better, you know. So turn your post notifications on, subscribe, and be part of the family. And whenever I use products like this that are thicker and very hydrating, I do like to focus it under my eyes so my under eyes get enough hydration, and my neck. You want to make sure you go upwards. Never bring yourself down. So now I'm just using this jade gua sha that I found at TJ Maxx. I've never used one before, but this is what the packaging looks like. So as you guys are watching this is my first time using this. Y'all can tell I'm literally confused. I tried to look at the back of it to see, because it had a diagram of how you're supposed to use it and which part of the stone goes for which part of your face. What I should have did before I even watched this, which I watched after, I watched a Chinese professional use it because it's a Chinese tool. So I watched how she used it. I did a few things wrong. I was using it straight when I should have used it flat, and they said the main two things you're supposed to do is prep the skin with hydration, which I did, a face mist and a face oil. I didn't use the oil, but I feel like that night cream was just enough to do what it was supposed to do. So I got the hydration part right, but what you do to one side, you are supposed to do to the other. So if you do it 5 times on one side, you're supposed to do it 5 times on the other side. I did do that right, and you're supposed to use very light pressure. So learn from me. Don't do it this way. Do your research first before you use a tool the wrong way. But I'm learning. So the important thing is you find little things that can be added to your night or to your morning to just make it a little better. You find little things that make you happy. For me, it was trying a gua sha, trying this tool for the first time. I like trying beauty tools. That's what I'm into. It's like getting candles. That's what I'm into. You just find little things, little affordable things that can just make your day a little better or your night. So we're back in the kitchen. I'm done with my skincare and my tea is done. I'm just gonna chill a little bit and vibe, watch some YouTube. Now this would not be a mom routine if I did not check on my little one. She was just asleep, so I let her be, and I went back to the kitchen to get my materials to pump. I am breastfeeding and pumping. I breastfed her earlier, so I didn't have that much. I only got about 5 ounces, but I put that up and then she actually woke up. So I just cuddled with her and put her back to sleep, and that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Comment, like, subscribe, turn your post notifications on. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed my first YouTube video. There will be many more coming.